the sky's deadliest hunter. The bald eagle has vision nearly 4 times sharper than humans, allowing it to spot prey from hundreds of feet in the air. With wings spanning over 7 feet, it soars effortlessly above rivers and forests. When it strikes, it can dive at speeds close to 100 miles per hour. Powerful talons lock onto fish with incredible precision. As an apex aerial predator, the bald eagle helps maintain balance in its ecosystem. Follow for more wild predator facts from land, sea, and sky.